Today, we are going to talk about a very exciting area of solar energy research, perovskite solar cells. Perovskite solar cells are a new type of solar technology that have attracted a lot of attention in recent years because of their potential to revolutionize the way we generate electricity from the sun. We'll cover what perovskite solar cells are, how they work, and the latest research developments in this field. What are perovskite solar cells? Perovskite solar cells are a type of solar technology that use a material called perovskite to absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity. Perovskite is a class of materials that have a crystal structure similar to the mineral perovskite, and they have unique electronic properties that make them very efficient at converting sunlight into electricity. How do perovskite solar cells work? Perovskite solar cells work by absorbing photons of light from the sun and using them to create electron-hole pairs in the perovskite material. The electron-hole pairs then separate and move through the cell, generating an electrical current. This current can be collected and used to power electrical devices or stored in a battery for later use. Perovskite solar cells are made up of several layers of materials, including a perovskite layer, an electron transport layer, and a hole transport layer. The perovskite layer is the active layer that absorbs sunlight and generates the electron-hole pairs. The electron transport layer and hole transport layer help to transport the electrons and holes through the cell, respectively. The latest research developments in perovskite solar cells have focused on improving their stability and durability, as these cells tend to degrade over time when exposed to moisture and heat. Scientists have been experimenting with different chemical compositions and manufacturing techniques to create more stable and efficient perovskite solar cells. One recent breakthrough in perovskite solar cells came from a team of researchers at the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, NREL, in the United States, who developed a new type of perovskite solar cell that has a conversion efficiency of 25.2%. This is the highest efficiency ever reported for a perovskite solar cell, and it is approaching the efficiency of traditional silicon-based solar cells. The new perovskite solar cell developed by the NREL team is made from a layered structure of perovskite and other materials, which helps to improve its stability and durability. The researchers also used a new technique called monolithic integration to combine the perovskite solar cell with a silicon-based solar cell, creating a tandem solar cell that is even more efficient at converting sunlight into electricity. Conclusion: perovskite solar cells are a very promising area of solar energy research that could help to increase the use of solar energy as a renewable and sustainable source of power. With continued research and development, perovskite solar cells could become a major player in the solar energy industry, offering a cheaper and more efficient alternative to traditional silicon-based solar cells. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something new today.